Transformation is ubiquitous. It seems that every business has done, is doing, or is planning to do a transformation. Over the course of the past decade, the idea of transformation has exceeded the specific organizations within which they exist to become a standalone entity and industry. At the same time, being agile has become more mainstream as countless organizations seek to emulate the successes of industry standard bearers like Microsoft, Netflix, and Amazon. The resulting explosion of growth that has supported this developing industry has yielded a raft of new roles, certifications, courses, blogs, books, webinars, meetups, and events. This growth flow is far from over. A recent survey noted that 78% of CIOs now believe political, economic, and business uncertainty is on the rise. Of these, more than half plan to respond by becoming more agile, and 90% by continuing to invest heavily in digital as a strategy. Crucially, these changes all necessitate ongoing investment in people, practice, and technology to continuously adapt to an ever-changing environment. In fact, transformation is becoming less of a one-off event and is evolving in purpose to support the desire for adaptability and responsiveness over longer-term planning for forecasting. Transformation is a byword for investment in continuous improvement. However, this growing industry is not without its challenges. The often quoted and debated statistic that around 80% of transformation programs fail highlights an inescapable fact: transformation is extremely difficult. There are many variables and conditions that can influence the ability of an organization to successfully, within its own definition, transform, many of which are not within the control of the people trying to effect the change. This should not cast a dark shadow over an existing transformation program or direct anyone from taking action where needed. In fact, this is excellent news because it means that there is a lot of data and experience that we can learn from. And it seems that many organizations are putting this learning into practice. If you're embarking on transformation program now, you might think you've left it too late and are at the back of the pack as a late adopter, or even, gasp, a laggard. But you have a secret weapon. You have all of this experience and data from the organizations that have come before you, which means the failures, successes, and everything in between. You might even have data from another area within your own organization. Each transformation program is unique. It is shaped by hundreds of variables that continuously change. However, through the work of thousands of organizations that have undertaken a transformation program, patterns have emerged that can help organizations manage and anticipate challenges in transformation to gain more out of their investments. These patterns of transformation fall into three broad categories. 1. Types of transformation. In simple terms, this is what you are trying to achieve. Each transformation seeks to be an answer to a specific problem. Accordingly, not all transformation programs are seeking to change the same things. Awareness of what you are trying to achieve will set you on the right path and help others understand and embrace the journey. It will also help you better spot the potential pitfalls and opportunities along the journey you are taking. 2. Approaches to transformation. This is how you intend to approach the transformation of your organization. There are multiple paths toward the ultimate destination. Being conscious of your organizational variables will help you select the correct approach to transformation and get the most change for your investment. 3. Transformation leadership. This is who will lead the charge and help drive the changes through the people, practices, technology, and culture of an organization. The level and type of leadership in an organization can either be the single biggest limiting factor or the greatest asset of a transformation program. A total of 45% of organizations report that lack of leadership and managerial support inhibits the adoption of Agile at scale. Understanding who is backing your transformation will help you in shaping the type of transformation and approach to it, or challenge your program to influence the leadership you need to transform in the way you need. Knowing your challenges and variables is the first step in identifying helpful patterns in transformation and toward a successful outcome. The extent to which the transformation is positive will depend on how we navigate the risks and opportunities that arise along the way. In the next posted video series, I will explain the what, how, and who factors in simple business words, with the aim to help you make your transformation program more effective and efficient. Enjoy!